So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and today's video I'm gonna talk about how you can create that kind of dynamic and beautiful background using the Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. So first of all, I will just open a new project file. So all that guys, here you can see we have opened a new project file, and right now I have a one class model here. So first of all, I will just go to into my shading panel, and I will just switch it to my rendering mode so we can see easily what's going on here, by the way. But right now you can see we have a very dark scene here. So for that I will just add one environment light. So for adding the environment light, I will just switch object into my world, and here you can see we have that world property basically. Okay, you can use this same property here as well. This is a little world icon basically. All right, so now first of all I will just add one environment texture. Yeah, this is environment texture. I'll just plug this color into this color, and I will just open one environment texture. Basically I've already downloaded, so I'm just gonna select from my directory. Yeah, so this is the environment texture, which is look nice. So alright guys, here you can see this is the environment texture, which is look cool, by the way. Okay, and we'll just do some settings here also. So here, as you can see that we have a Eevee render engine, so we'll just enable the ambient occlusion, bloom, and screen reflection as well. So everything look nice to me right now. Now what I will do, I'm just gonna add one icosphere. So for that I will just press the Shift A, and I will just add one icosphere, and I'm just gonna scale this icosphere something like that. I think that much scale is look nice to me. And after that I'm just gonna switch from world to object, and we'll just create a one new material for it. But before creating the material, I'm just gonna flip the all the normals of this icosphere to invert basically. Right now if you will see, if I'm just going to show you, these normals are directing from the outside, here you can see. Okay, but I'm just gonna invert those normals from the inside, because we will see the environment from the inside of this icosphere. So for that, first of all I will just switch into vertex to face mode, then I will just press the Alt N, and I will just flip the all normals. Yeah, so everything good to go now. Now I'm just gonna zoom it again inside this icosphere where we have our object, and here we go. Here you can see guys, we have that object basically. I'm just gonna a little bit zoom out. Yeah, I think that's look great. Now what I will do, I'm just gonna select my icosphere, and here I will just add one new material. So here you can see when I just add the new material, we have one principal BSDF node. So we don't want this principal BSDF node because we want something else. So for that what we have to do, we will just add one emission node. So I will just search the emission. Yeah, so this is the emission shader, and I will just plug this emission with this surface. So now here you can see we have a good lighting inside our icosphere as well. Now I will just add one node basically, that's name is layer weight. Yeah, this is the layer weight, and I will just plug this facing with this strength. All right, and now here you can see, if I'm just going to zoom in out, so you can see how the icosphere now reacting. Okay, where my cursor is rotating, these color is also moving according to our view. Okay, which is look quite interesting. So now I'm just gonna again zoomed in. Yeah, I think we have to find where our object, by the way. So I think our object is here. Yeah, that's so great, cool. All right, and here you can see it's already looking awesome, but we'll just create something more awesome. So for that I'll just add one math node here. So I will just add one math node. Yeah, this math node will be added here. Yeah, that's so great also. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna change this add value as a multiply. Yeah, cool. And first of all we'll just increase the value of this layer weight. I think 0.9 is look nice to me, and we'll also decrease little bit value of this multiplier. I think 0.4 is look also nice to me. One more node we have to add it, because right now we have a black and white background, which is we don't want. We need some colors. So for that I will just add one mix RGB node. I will just add one mix RGB and place in between here, and I will just plug this value node with the FAC, so it will equally divided the both color of all faces. And now I will just choose the color. So I will just use a little bluish color here. and under we will use little brownish color. I think we need to change a little bit more. Yeah, that's look awesome, but we need to play with these values because these values will define everything. Yeah, now we'll just make a little bit darker and little bit brighter these. Yeah, I think that's look great also, and we can just decrease the value as well if we want. Yeah, let's see what's happening when we are adding the colors here. Alright guys, so here you can see it's already looking super cool, and now here you can see we have a good color also into our background. Now I'm just gonna little bit zoom inside first of all because it look little, yeah, I think that's look great. Alright, and now I will just add the one subdivision surface modifier into our icosphere, and we'll also add one triangulate node, and make sure you just keep the value of your subdivision surface 1 as a viewport value. And now here you can see guys, we have a very fantastic and dynamic background here which is gonna reacting according to your rotation, and we can also change the value of colors. Here you can see we can just add some good color here. I think that color is look nice to me. We can just add little bit reddish color also. Yeah, that's look great, and we can just decrease the value from here. I think that's look great and everything is look nice to me. Now here you can see we have a very dynamic background here and which is look nice. Alright, and if you want to change the value from here, so you can also change the value from here, but I don't think so we need to change it. And you can also change the color value from here. Like if I'm just gonna change the color, so here you can see it is gonna reacting very nicely. Alright, but I think so we have to change little bit color as a, yeah, I think that's look great. So alright guys, here you can see we have a very beautiful background here and which is look nice to me, and I hope you also like this dynamic background which is gonna reacting and which is gonna change the and which is changing according to our rotation values. Okay, that's look nice by the way. So alright guys, that's it for this tutorial, and that's how you can create a very dynamic and interactive background with the help of the layer weight node, which is very easy and cool trick. So I thought I should share with you guys, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial and you learn something new today. So if you learn something new today, so make sure you hit the like button and hit the share button and subscribe my channel also. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, the share button and subscribe my channel also. If you have any queries, if you have suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.